Hello students, this is Sarita Umesh. Welcome back to my channel Fun Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from class 11 chemistry from the chapter Structure of Atoms. That is, difference between orbit and orbital. There are 6 important points of differences between orbit and orbital. Whenever questions like write the difference between orbit and orbital or distinguish between orbit and orbital, you have to present your answers in a tabular form. So we will start. Orbits are the circular paths around the nucleus in which electrons are revolving. Orbitals are the region of space around the nucleus where we can see the electrons with maximum probability. All orbits are circular in shape. Orbitals have different shapes. S orbital is spherical, p orbital is dumbbell, d orbital is double dumbbell. The maximum number of electrons we can accommodate in an orbit is 2n square, where n is the number of the shell. For example, K shell can accommodate 2 electrons, L can accommodate 8 electrons, M can accommodate 18 electrons, and N can accommodate 32 electrons. An orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. Orbit represents the two-dimensional motion or planar motion of electrons. Orbitals represents the three-dimensional motion of electrons around the nucleus. Orbits are non-directional. It has a circular shape and circle has no directional property. So it is non-directional in nature. Orbitals are directional in nature except s orbital. Since orbits are non-directional, we cannot use orbits to explain the structure of molecules. Orbitals have directional property, so we can use orbitals to explain the structure of molecules. Orbit is not in accordance with Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to Heisenberg, there is no orbits present inside an atom. Orbitals are in accordance with Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. These are the 6 important points of difference between orbits and orbital. And this is very, very important. You can expect questions from this particular topic. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel.